one going, you know? Yeah. That's what it is. What up, A$AP Rock? What up, my nigga?
Count down the Armageddon. Count down the Armageddon.
Welcome back, still the Venrap Radio, and that's another one. Do concern anyone and Hungoni. It's crazy out there. Batondy's back. Just dropped a brand new music video. Music video on at the bar. Yeah, man, he's been waiting for this. I think it's been a month and a couple of weeks, and he promised us that he's gonna be dropping a dope music video. And yeah, man, I like the color grading. I like the way it's done. I like everything about it. Just a simple music video to push the album even further. So I don't know what more can one said you're still looking for, because this is definitely dope. I'm hoping to see more content from more videos from that album, you know. Like definitely I'm still looking to see him drop more footages for his tracks and all that, because it definitely takes your song beyond its reach, man. Because if you reach a certain point, the audio, the music, when you drop a music video and then now you're trying to translate, explain, just to show people what the song is all about, it makes people even enjoy your song even more. And talking about Batondy, it's one guy I know when it comes to his lyrics and everything that does, whether it's a hook, whether it's just rapping, come on, he kills every single thing, man. He kills every single verse. You need to understand or you need to be here. If not fit enough, because he in the Tangana Hura, the B-Town mayor. Yeah, so I mean, like the way the whole music video tells the story, from him working, and then from working going home, then leaving the house, and the wife's angry, like, dude, you going out, there's no even food, and you already going to the bar to have fun. Like, hey, what the hell are you doing? Like, can't you be man enough to like take care of us and all that? It's something. It has a story to tell, man. It shows you, this is some of the things that you find people doing, you know, like what I was saying about, he was working, now he's back home, and yeah, there's the boy, there's him talking about, yeah, I'm going out now, and then she's opening the pause, so it's a great story that we've been told here from the music video, like taking us through, you know, Mama's Boy. One thing I like about these guys, like artists that support each other, man. When one does a gig, when one does music video or whatever, you see what Gilda right there, you see Batondy, I want to say Mama Tora, you see like so many people, man, not given Mama's Boy, like everybody is just there to support, you know. Even when he's performing, you'll find that like people like really enjoys his music. It's one artist that really takes you from, like, if I could performer first and you have to come and perform after, you need to have I don't know, man, you could be strong, because yeah, he'll give you hell, man. It's gonna be hectic. So yeah, man, I'm loving the music video. He's giving us another footage from his album Altered Beast. The track is called At the Bar. Currently to go to want to go to so Batondy, the B-Town mayor, Mujie. So yeah, man, I don't know. Jeff was your corner. So guys, I don't know what you think. You guys can tell us also when you wanna track it, you see how you see the music video, the At the Bar, the Batondy. Yeah, man, just drops brand new music video today. So check out the link on the description so you can watch this full music video that I just played for you guys. I'm gonna drop the link of this video, the description. You guys will tell us what you think of the music video and what you think about the track. I love the track and I'm loving the video. This is big up to Batondy. Keep up the good work. I'm out of here.